How to troubleshoot any issues that you're having with your firmware update. Before trying a firmware update, please ensure you have the latest version of the Flite app downloaded on your mobile device. If the app doesn't connect, ensure your controller is turned off, only one Bluetooth connection is allowed at a time. Check that the e-foil LEDs are on and the board is powered. Close the app, clear it from your background and reopen it. If an update fails, close and clear the app again, then restart your board and retry. Confirm your phone's Bluetooth isn't connected to any other devices like headphones or speakers. Stay within arm's reach of your board during the process. What do the LED indicators mean? If your e-foil shows flashing orange and white lights, the e-foil version update has failed. Reconnect and follow the update instructions to reinstall. This may take several attempts, but be patient. Between attempts, take your time, fully close the app, clear it from background, and start again. If needed, forget the device by swiping left and selecting Forget Device. Then reconnect and retry. If your e-foil shows no LED lights, the update may have failed or become corrupted. Reopen the app and attempt to reinstall the update. The progress bar should resume from where it stopped. How to force an update on your Fliteboard. To force an update, connect to your device and press and hold your finger on the firmware version you want to update. You can also enter DFU mode by leaving the base of the controller over the pairing target on the e-foil until the LEDs turn green. When in doubt, please visit fliteboard.com/support for in-app help and any other information.